Standard 8 General Science Lesson number 18 Ecosystems. Students, our earth has atmosphere, living things, water and many other factors. This all is called a ecosystem. The world around us is made up of living and non-living factors. See, living factors are called biotic factors. They are animals and plants. Non-living factors are called abiotic factors. Air, water, vapor, minerals, soil and sunlight. There is interaction between these living and non-living factors. See, here is a flow chart of ecosystem. There are two parts, abiotic factors and abiotic factors. Abiotic factors are classified into two parts. They are physical and chemical substances. See, physical substances are air, water, vapor, minerals, soil and sunlight. And in chemical, there are inorganic substances and organic substances. Inorganic substances, they are hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, iron, potassium, sodium. And in organic substances, proteins, carbohydrates and lipids are there. Now in biotic factors, there are two parts, autotropy and heterotropy. What is autotropy? Autotropy means the substance that make their own food. They are called producers and they are plants. Plants make their own food, so they are called producers. Consumers. In heterotropy, there are consumers and decomposers. Consumers are animals, and in animals there are primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. Small insects eat like frogs, and that frogs eat a snake, and the snake eats an eagle. Like that, they depend on each other for their food. So, they are classified into primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. Now, to decompose the dead bodies of animals and plants, there are microbes. They decompose. So, they are called decomposers. Now, each and every abiotic factor affects the biotic factors in the ecosystem. Here is the interaction among factors of an ecosystem. See, abiotic factors like nutrients, solar energy, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, water, minerals, etc. are used by plants in photosynthesis process, and plants make their own food. So, abiotic factors are used by plants. Plants are biotic factors. They make their own food, so they are called producers. Heat is given out. These plants use animals as a food. Biotic factors, there are three parts: primary, secondary and tertiary consumers. Now the dead bodies of plants and animals decompose by microbes. There is also heat is given out. So these free minerals are recycled. Most of the ecosystems are complex and there is a tremendous quantitative and qualitative variety of species in them. See, in ecosystems of tropical country like India, few species of living organisms are found everywhere in a large number. There are many types of plants and animals in our ecosystem. Ecosystems are formed according to size, place, climate, types of plants and animals. Forest, pond, ocean, river, there are also ecosystems. There are many types of ecosystems in biosphere. See, such a large ecosystems are called biomes. Biomes contain many small ecosystems. Earth itself is a vast ecosystem. Two types of biomes are found on the earth: land biomes and aquatic biomes. In land biomes, grassland ecosystem. Grassland, where the rainfall is not enough to grow big trees, vast growth of grass is there. Longer summer and limited rain is there. There we found goat, sheep, giraffe, zebra, elephant, deer, cheetah, tiger, lion, etc. Evergreen forests. It is natural ecosystem. There are variety of plants and animals and abiotic factors. See, there are national park sanctuary in our India. See in this table, Gir. Gir is a national park found. It is in Gujarat state. Dachigam is found in Jammu and Kashmir state. Ranthambore National Park is in Rajasthan state. Dajipur is in Maharashtra state. Kaziranga is in Assam state. Sundarban is in Bengal. Meghat is in Maharashtra. It is in the Maharashtra in Madhya Pradesh border. Periyar, it is in Kerala. These are the national park or sanctuaries in our India. It is also the part of a ecosystem. They are all famous for tigers. See here, producers, primary consumers, secondary, tertiary and decomposers. This is a table, you can complete it. Now we are going to learn aquatic ecosystem. What is aquatic ecosystem? It is in a water, freshwater ecosystem, marine ecosystem. See here, first we see freshwater ecosystem. Ponds, lakes and rivers are included in aquatic ecosystems. There are many plants and animals in these ecosystems at the bottom of the ponds, lakes, rivers. There are also decomposers are at the bottom of the water reservoirs. They decompose dead bodies of plants and animals and convert into abiotic factors. There are small fishes, insects, snails, frogs, large fishes, crocodiles, and bacteria and fungi also. Marine ecosystems. Marine ecosystem. There are many plants in this ecosystem. Shallow water contains small fishes, prawns, feeding on algae. The central part of a sea has less number of aquatic living organisms. Large fishes are secondary consumers. Ocean has a large amount of nutrients. The bottom of ocean has more number of decomposers, dead bodies of plants and animals. Waste material are decomposed by bacteria. Now see here, diminishment of ecosystem due to human interference. Many human activities have side effects on functions of ecosystems and cause their diminishment. Example, mining and excessive cutting of trees changes the use of land, so interactions between biotic and abiotic factors are also affected. Increasing use of resources due to increased population. Humans are the consumers in an ecosystem. Ecosystem can provide basic needs in natural conditions, but due to increased population, man kept on snatching natural resources on large scale. Changing lifestyle demands more than necessary. There are two reasons: urbanization, industrialization, tourism, large dams are built. So this affects on environment, on ecosystem. See, urbanization. More and more agricultural lands, marshlands, wetlands, forests and grasslands are being destroyed for buildings and other basic facilities. And industrialization and traffic is also affects on ecosystem. Raw materials required for industrialization are obtained by destroying forests. Increased traffic. Many times roads and railways are built through forest and wetlands. Tourism. People visit many places for nature watch, entertainment and visit to sacred places. So, this causes destruction of local ecosystems due to increased stress. Large dams are built, so the forest and grassland in that area get converted into aquatic ecosystems. So, wars is also a reason. See, heavy bombing and mine explosions are done in wars. Thus, natural disasters like earthquake, volcano, floods, droughts, and human interferences result in changes or destruction of ecosystem. Natural ecosystems must be protected as they maintain balance in the biosphere. So we learn about our ecosystem and how human beings are attacking on this ecosystem. You can write the exercise of this lesson. Thank you.